Hi, this is Vikram here from Kylas, and today we are going to talk about manufacturing as a sector and how an agentic CRM can help you really accelerate your sale, right? Manufacturing has been a little slow in adopting technology, but it's just not about having a great product, but a relentless marketing and a sales engine to push a growth is extremely important, and we're going to talk about that today. So manufacturing leads or primarily business development is done across multiple channels, right? So you have your website forms, you have your aggregator, you have your Google, you have your trade shows, you have distributors, you have retailers, you have referrals. Then comes the RFQ, kiske paas data hai, who's going to follow up with it, who's managing it, is every channel managed by a territory manager, or there is a different team for every channel. So it's a little chaotic kind of that what we have seen. So how to streamline all this and how to kick in a CRM or an agentic CRM which will kind of put in a lot of agents to streamline all these things for you, right? Very important to streamline all these processes. So the biggest problem that we see across manufacturing is the data is siloed across different channels like email, WhatsApp, and your India Mart or other channels. And so how to streamline this is the number one problem. The deal visibility, how to get it streamlined for your sales leaders, your managers, so to understand which things need to move faster. So how do we make sure that we create that perfect visibility, right? And an agentic engine which is constantly feeding data and bringing it up and making sure that nothing important is missed. So you never lose a deal because of process inefficiency. So how does Kylas help you here, right? So primarily we create a lead capture mechanism and bring it to a central system. Then you can route it to the territory manager or your sales people or your central sales team, depending on what your process is. But the visibility and TAT can be set within the system. So your TAT on the RFQ, the escalation matrix, is the lead being followed up with. So you can have dispositions like RFQ, quotation, discussion, negotiation, and closure. What is the aging at each stage? Who's responsible for it? Who's giving approvals? Everything can be tracked and you know which deal is waiting where. And your agent can constantly create tasks and give notifications and update for people. Also, creating RFQs or creating quotations becomes very easy. You can have a research bank and quickly bring up quotations. Today, a lot of big enterprise is moving to a point where they are sending quotations through agents and all these things. And the whole bidding process kind of is become transparent and taken over by AI agents. So to participate in this and to move fast, your agentic platform needs to be there to respond to this. You should never lose a deal because you've not moved fast on it. Not only that, all the call conversations, WhatsApp conversations on that deal are fed into the system. An intelligence layer of AI tells you and scores the lead and tells you if the deal is moving forward or not. If the deal is not moving forward, an immediate escalation to get involved will come through to the management. So that is how powerful the systems have become today, because every conversation is important. The time to move on a sales is important. So all this is getting automated through agents. So you pretty much have a very powerful assistant managing the whole show for you. Now let's add another layer. A lot of manufacturing work through dealers and they work closely with dealers to close deals. So how are your dealers working? What is their performance? Are they sourcing enough leads for you? If you have given them leads, are they maintaining the TAT? Are they moving fast on the leads? Are they sending out quotations fast? If the deal is not moving forward, there is an escalation which can be sent out immediately. So region-wise performance, dealer-wise performance, sales-wise performance can be completely tracked. You can connect your data through an MCP to a Cloud or OpenAI and start asking these questions, right? What can I do? Which are my top 10 deals which are stuck and can move forward? Which are my highest value deals? So it will bring it up for you. You can check where it's stopped and not moving. So this visibility becomes very, very crucial. Very important for management or sales leadership to understand all this. So a lot of manufacturing also runs their marketing. So marketing module and B2B marketing gets very, very important. Most of the high ticket items in manufacturing are sold to a business. So you can pretty much create your whole list, right? And start nurturing it, start reaching out to the decision makers. For example, if you are a heavy manufacturing which is used by bigger industries, so you can get the data from LinkedIn or from CRISIL or any other source of the companies who have a certain turnover. You can find the decision makers and you can start reaching out. So the brand is kind of reaching out to them. As soon as it's warmed up, obviously you can reach out. So your sales does not have to be reactive, it can be proactive. Your marketing engine can be proactive. Huge kind of lift in your sales velocity. A lot of you are looking to go international, right? Or the larger companies in India, manufacturing companies, are looking to go international. So how do I reach out to those companies who are my clients? So just build a list up from LinkedIn, enrich it, start reaching out to your specific customers. Your marketing budgets will drop significantly. We have got a list building engine, we have got a enrichment engine. You can build the engagement signals and you can build the brand out much faster at a much cheaper cost. That's the power of CRM. So the future of manufacturing is just not a better product, but a better sales engine and a marketing engine, so that India can go and sell globally, or India can go and sell across India better, right? We are a big, huge consumption economy, and you can also sell globally and reach globally much faster. So happy to help you. If you need more information, we definitely are doing free onboarding right now. You can run your trials, test it out, and happy growing and happy selling. Thank you.